And I was like, why is it in Ulta if I don't have it yet? Why am I able to order it off Ulta if I don't have it? That doesn't make any sense. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rickens, aka Rickens, and today, you know what this is, you know what it is. If you don't know, this is the Melanin Plumping Deep Conditioner with hyaluronic acid, biotin, fenugreek, pumpkin seeds, or pumpkin and bamboo. It's for silkening and strengthening, right here. So, if you know, you know. I'm not really gonna bore you with the delay drama because honestly, truthfully, I don't care. Oh. I really don't care, and I have it. You know what I mean? Like, truly, like I don't care. I don't think it's that serious. It's a deep conditioner. Like, you know what I mean? Like it's a deep conditioner. So, truthfully, who cares? Like, it's not. We're not doing anything crazy for the world right now. So you know what I'm saying? So I'll get into that stuff a little bit later, but my initial thoughts of the delays, shit happens, life happens. Like, yes, she could have been a little bit more communicative, but she wasn't. She wasn't, and she produces great products. And even though that sucked, let's not take away from the fact that she produces quality products. So anyways, moving on. So this is 16 fluid ounces, as she loves to give. Let's see. Oh, this is cute. It has a little Melanin Haircare logo on the cap. Oh, that's gonna pick up. Is it picking up? I hope so. So one thing that I noticed when I first got it was that it was moving. So this is not as thick as everything else, which I could tell immediately. So what I'm gonna do, I don't have much time, so I'm just going to show you the product and then I'm just gonna skip to me applying and then I'm gonna come back later. Ooh, this smells nice.
What is that?
I know, I've seen a couple people say that they don't like the smell. If you like herbal smells, you might like this. I like herbal smells. This kind of smells like the oil, the multi-use pure oil blend, but it's more muted than that. It smells good. It smells really good. This texture, ooh, it's very like smooth and creamy. Oh, it doesn't fall in my hand. Okay, so like I said, I'm just going to start applying. Oh, I dropped some.
What an embarrassment.
I'm just gonna start applying and then I'll be back when either I have my hot head on or after I'm done deep conditioning, because I'm gonna be using a hot head and steam like I usually do, so yeah. All right, before I continue, I just forgot that I didn't read the directions or anything. It says a little bit goes a long way. Working in sections, use a nickel to quarter sized amount depending on your hair texture and density. Gently smooth the product in, working in downward strokes from ends to roots. You may comb the product in to help distribute if desired. Leave in hair for up to 30 minutes, then rinse out and style as usual. First of all, nickel to quarter size, dead. Second of all, 30 minutes, dead. Team heavy hand and team don't follow the directions, okay? This is gonna be in my hair for at least an hour, maybe 2. You know this. And then, I'm just gonna read what this said. It says, silken, smooths, and hydrates. I hope you enjoy the instant hydration and sleek results achieved with our pumping deep conditioner with hyaluronic acid to help your hair attract and retain moisture and reduce frizziness. The biotin, fenugreek, and bamboo work to strengthen and smooth the hair. With a powerhouse lineup of nourishing ingredients, it moisturizes, instantly plumping and clumping your curls, coils, and waves while helping to restore your hair's elasticity and detangle knots for smooth, manageable, shiny, sleek results. So everything sounds really good. The ingredients list is mad long, if you can see that. If you watched her video of her talking about it when she was about to release it, there are so many ingredients in this, like a lot. But they're all good ingredients. Like, that's the thing about Whitney, like, she's gonna give you great ingredients. So anyways, I'm gonna shut up now. Now I'm keep going. Oh, lies.
But why y'all got to lie?
I'm using this deep conditioner because I am gonna be blowing out my hair for a twist style. So if it's silkening and strengthening, this should help me prep my hair for my blowout. Okay, that's it. Bye. Okay, so everything is applied. I think it's fine for right now. I don't know if anybody else got this, but I'm getting like a little bit of a tingling sensation. And I looked in the ingredients list, and it could maybe be the ginger. There's ginger root oil in here. I don't think lemongrass makes your scalp tingle. Oh, there's peppermint. Never mind. There is peppermint oil in here. So I think it's a mix between the peppermint and the ginger. So obviously, maybe because I was so heavy-handed, but I haven't heard anybody else mention if they had like a little bit of a scalp tingle. But yeah, distribution is fine. I think, and I know you got tired of hearing me say this, but I do need a haircut. So it made it a little bit more difficult for me to like get through my hair. I did schedule an appointment, so relax, it's happening. But yeah, I mean, the product is lightweight. It kind of reminds me of the leave-in a little bit in terms of consistency, but I like it. It's nice, it's very movable, and it kind of soaks into the hair almost immediately. Obviously it doesn't look like it right now because it's me and I took way more than recommended.
Why? Why not? Why though?
But like whenever I put like the first little amount on my hair, it disappeared. It was gone. So my hair, I know my hair is going to drink this up, and I'm really excited for that. I did get a little bit of the silkening as I was moving around my hair. So yeah, I'm excited to see what my hair looks and feels like. Like I said, I'm going to steam, and I'm going to put on my hot head. So I'll be back. So, as y'all know, I had this in my hair. I steamed, and then I used my hot head for like an hour, and my hair feels incredible. Like, I didn't expect anything less. You know what I mean? Like, my hair feels incredibly hydrated. My hair feels like reinforced, like nourished. My ends, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up on camera, but like my ends are really defined. Like, this really defined my ends and my curls. So I do feel like, let me see. Yeah, I do feel like my hair has a little bit of a coating. I personally don't care. A lot of the times I actually like when my hair has a coating. One of my favorite deep conditioners does that as well. So for me personally, I do like that. And that means that my hair is gonna have a little bit more protection when I go in to blow out my hair. So like my hair is perfectly prepped for a blowout now. One thing that I did forget to mention, disregard this. I'm probably gonna tell you in a second that I'm gonna do a blowout, so disregard this. I didn't really get plumping. That's one thing that I did forget to mention. I got silkening and strengthening. I didn't get plumping. Like usually, my twists are like fat. This didn't really fatten up my twist. That was one thing that I did notice, but I only noticed it because the deep conditioner specifically calls out plumping. My hair feels really good. My hair feels good, it looks good and all that stuff. I just didn't get the plumping aspect of it because my hair actually shrunk up more than it expanded. So that is just one thing that I wanted to call out. Okay, bye. So yeah, I mean, I give this a 9.5 out of 10, maybe 9.75 out of 10, just because the application was fine. You know what I mean? The application was okay. I think for me, I think I felt the moisture more when I was applying it. I think, I don't know, I felt the like, my hair absorbed this immediately. You know what I mean? It definitely defined my curls. So like, yeah, it definitely gives moisture, protein, balance. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I mean, it's worth it to me. Well, okay, it's not worth the wait. The wait, no. No. Nothing is, like I said in the beginning, it's just a deep conditioner. Like, for the amount of time that we had to wait for this, it's not worth it, obviously. But if you order it and you get it within a reasonable time, yes, absolutely, this is worth it. Like, you know Whitney, you know her ingredients list is always top tier. Like, she tries to cater to as many people as she can, and it's just like I said before, it's just a deep conditioner. Yes, they kind of blatantly disregarded the delay after like a month or two, but I mean, at the end of the day, it is what it is. It's happened. The products are out now. Just let it go. Hopefully she learns from this. Hopefully it's never happened again. Because, you know, I was one of the people who was going onto their Instagram being like, are they saying anything about this? Like, are they saying anything about this? Because I don't see that. I went to their website. I'm like, and that was the thing. Like, I think the only time that I ever got mad was when I saw that it was in Ulta. And I was like, why is it in Ulta if I don't have it yet? Why am I able to order it off Ulta if I don't have it? That doesn't make any sense. That was the only time where I was like, what do you mean? And so I did order it from Ulta as well. Honestly, I ordered it from Ulta because I wanted to see if I would get that one first. I didn't. I think that one's actually coming today. So, you never know. I might do a giveaway or something. We'll see. Because, you know, I like it. I like it a lot, actually. So, I might do a giveaway. I may not. We'll see. I will keep you posted. I'll probably announce the giveaway on my Instagram. So I'll leave it down below. So just keep an eye out for that. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say. This is a very good, it's a very good deep conditioner. I didn't expect anything less from this. Like, so I had high expectations and the expectations were met. So yeah, Melanin Haircare, they do it right. They know how to do it right. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those fun YouTube things, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!